We're going to play this game with that big head. Well, we're gonna go I think we're gonna go through all of those levels.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hold on. You don't leave me.
This way. If you guys are wondering, I've already played this game. I'm a skilled player. Because he's not. I'm gonna wait for you.
Thank you.
You guys gonna be here dancing.
I'm good.
Wait, I think I've forgotten. Okay, he's here. I think I've forgotten to put on my mask. Now everyone. Oh! Don't come. No, one is coming at full speed right now. Go! Oh, how did you do that? Go, run. They're behind you. Sorry. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ugly. Oh no, we need to start all over again.
That's because those two heads, they're not gonna get us.
Well, they got you already. 2 times. Oh. Run, Gavin. Go, go, go. Just follow her. Ooh. I jumped all over you. Haha, don't say haha to me because you are gonna get haha. Ah, I know what to do. I'm waiting for you. Yes, there's a checkpoint. Oh, last time when I did this took 20 minutes to finish.
What?
And do what the drawing says.
I hate poop heads.
Do it.
Hey.
I'm just gonna try to do this. Take that. And I don't like the sound when you lose. Tricked. You got tricked. I'm on the run. Run. Stop licking the.
I can see you. Everyone is coming for you.
I got a Mario coin. I'm waiting at the other side. Why you saying? Why you?
I can
Come
see
here.
you.
It's easy that part. How are you not come? Oh, did you just see his head right there?
What the? Somebody jumped in.
What is this?
I just
Nope.
jumped over him and one just got me already.
There's these dances here. What's this? I love dancing. Let me put some new. Well, you as well because you're cave. Run, just run. How are you still there? You're getting annoying. Should I wait on level 2 for you?
No.
We're not even gonna finish this video because of you. We said that we need to get to the finish.
But guess what? Guess what? I'm almost. Oh my! Let's touch this head. I'm so bloody.
Comment if you want us three want if you want us to do a trend.
We're not free. What do we?
Cairo, Goku, and Monkey. Okay? And just to let you know that we've made separate YouTube channels. So one for Cairo, one for me, one for Goku. So when we're doing videos alone, we'll do it in that channel. But if we're doing it all together, we'll do it in the Power Gamers channel. Or if we're in two as well, like right now. So it's so easy to do this. You suck.
Look, what the?
Oh my goodness. You are taking so long. Let's go. Can you see him at the other side? Let's do this. Bad job.
And let me do it. Let me try to do it. Look at me, guys. I'm over here. You're so boo.
Oh my goodness, we just saw your body parts flying out on the other side.
I thought you were gonna see my butt.
Go.
Okay, you put.
Wait, why do the big heads have lipstick?
Lipstick.
Oh my goodness, you're taking so long.
Yeah, but do not leave me.
Let's see if Goku can do this time. Nope.
How did they even get in here? Who even get them in here?
Yeah, I think Goku's never gonna pass this.
Okay, let me try. I think I'm gonna get this, and when I get it, I'm gonna kill everyone's head.
Sorry for the disgusting sounds.
Let me up.
Finally, you can do it.
Come for me,
Go to the side and then jump over them to the other side and do it together. Go. This is your second attempt, your last attempt, I think.
It's impossible.
I will wait for you, even if our skeletons are shown in this video.
Okay, it's impossible. From my trying to distract them. From my trying to distract them.
How am I supposed to? The two heads are coming at the same time, so you cannot do it. It's impossible. I don't think that actually touched you.
Yeah. That didn't really touch me, yeah?
We have to do it.
Okay, let me try.
We're going to see you after this clip. If this is going to take 1 million hours. Okay, we finally got Goku at the other side. So we're going to stage 2. Come here.
3, 2, 1.
I'm going.
Hey, you just left me. You're not nice. I see my butt.
Oh, I think I remember which one is the right door. Come here. Go be careful, there's a head. Then go, go, go. Where are you going? This way.
What?
They're like just watching you.
Yeah. We don't like this.
What? Go for the other side.
Okay.
I went for the other side. Oh, this is easy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, you got a respawn there?
Go, go, go.
What? Someone blocked the door.
I finished the maze.
Oh my, he's looking at me.
Teleport gun. Cost Robux. Too much. Wings. Wait, trails? Robux. Wings. Ooh, ooh, I am looking at Goku's screen right now, and he bought the wings and the mask. And he doesn't look okay. Well, I think we're going to end this video right here.
Hello. Thank you. Have a good day.
Can you please be quiet?
Oh.
Try to pass the level. Well, I think we're going to end the level right here and the video. And we're going to make another video when we're going to stage 3. And I think with Cairo. So, bye.